Oh! That's what you get for being hateful.
The bird has a nest somewhere then.
How did she get into the nest? Guilty conscience for eating a baby bird.
Hope you have indigestion. It's not like you're fucking hungry. I mean a baby bird.
That mama and daddy ought to bite you on your butt.
I know. Look at it.
Don't come and want to snuggle with me tonight. Ooh, it's fixing to rain. You ought to be shamed, Barnaby. Shamed. It stuck to her. It stuck to her paw. The mom and daddy bird is mad at you. You grumpy little bitchka. You think it's over there? Maybe in that urn? I don't even want to hear it. Ow! Is it still stuck to her paw?
She ate the whole thing?
She had a piece of it left.
Dang.
She had the two front claws and the head. Don't even want to hear it.
Tree.
She climbed up a tree and got it out.